Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If Microsoft Excel is not opening when you click on files, then watch this video. The first thing is to reset and repair Microsoft 365. So we will right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we'll go to apps, installed apps, and we'll select 365 and we'll click on the three buttons here, click on advanced options, and then we'll click on repair. Wait for the check mark, click on reset, wait for the check mark, and then it should start working. It should open when you click on those apps. The second thing we can do is we can set default apps. So click on apps again, default apps, and then look for Excel here. Okay, and then we can open the default apps. So all these file extensions like .xls, .xisk. So you can check all these .x's. You can open them in default Microsoft. Like for example, .xls file is not set. There's no default set. So just click on it and click on Excel. Click on set default. Then .xlsb. Click on it. Click on Excel. Click on set as default. Then even .xlx file. This one. This is the common file type .xlsx. Click on it and click on set as default, and then another. All right, so here MS Excel files also you can choose. The default is Excel set, and it should now open the files in Excel. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.